What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I am sharing with you a recipe for a delicious summer treat, and it's not too sweet, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to make a 2-ingredient, non-dairy sorbet. And you know what's good about sorbet? It's summertime, so it's cool, and it's sweet. And when is something sweet ever a bad thing? So if you want to know how to make this sorbet, just keep watching. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.
All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take your fruit. I'm using a 16-ounce bag of some no sugar added sliced peaches. So I'm just going to add my peaches into the food processor and then make sure that I've got all the peach slices. So moving on to our sweetener, I am using some organic honey. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. Now honey can be a very strong and overpowering taste, so to balance that out, I'm going to use a tablespoon of some agave nectar. Now you can sweeten this obviously to your preference, so you may be adding a little bit more or a little bit less. Let me know in the comment section how you do it. So now it's time to blend, so I'm just going to put the lid on my food processor and get started. So it's going to take a little bit of effort for your food processor to cut these pieces into smaller, smoother chunks. So it should start to look like this. And then I am going to be storing mine in a glass bowl. So again, this is the consistency that you should be trying to achieve. Nice and smooth, no large chunks of fruit, unless that's what you like. So I am just emptying my sorbet into the glass bowl. And y'all just excuse my malfunction that's happening here. My blade in the food processor just did not want it to be great, okay? All right, but you get the idea. It got in the bowl, I smoothed out the top, and then I set it in my freezer for 2 hours. All right, so this is exactly 2 hours after. That's the smooth, soft sorbet texture you'd like.